I came to visit Anna Banana, and we are all here. Everybody say hi. Hi. I'm about to vlog our day, so if you want to see what we're going to be doing, go ahead and keep on watching me. Oh, look at these. I have those ones too. These? I have both of those. Yeah.
The lotion, it's like so good. I love it.
She's taking the whole shelf.
Listen, sometimes you take the whole shelf. Swatching time over here.
What are you doing?
So I'm going to be testing out a few things for myself too. So I was watching these Becca foundations and they're not working out.
Smashbox Socho Coconut Primer Water.
And
It's really refreshing.
And she said that it also tastes
It tastes like
good.
coconut.
It tastes good.
That's it.
Give me some swatches, por favor.
Huh?
And before the brand look at that. I want the foundation so bad.
Oops, I just touched a watch. I was trying to
That's
call
awesome.
someone.
They look better on you.
No, I think they look better on you.
Wait, let me see.
Well, I have this one.
I'm not really impressed by this Amrezy. OMG. Highlight heaven.
I was right here.
Is the lipstick hot?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that green thing.
Enchanted Emerald Green Transform.
But let me see what it looks like now.
It's turning pink.
It is turning pink. Let's see what it does on you.
I don't know how I'm taking all this off. I'm gonna have to go like this home.
So
No,
I
they
swatched
have
this
wipes
and
somewhere in here.
No, they
lipstick,
don't.
the
I
green
have wipes in the
lipstick,
car.
Okay.
and it turned a pink.
Oh, let me try that blue one.
It's not blue. It's like an iridescent color.
Oh, that one turns pink.
Yeah, it's a pink on my.
Are these glosses? No. Yeah, lip gloss. No, thank you. Designated swatcher since we can't.
Well, I have swatches too, but
Mariah's also
see.
vlogging.
Wait till JC sees me.
He's gonna be like, what is going
What
on?
is wrong with your arm? Oh, well, switches from here, but like here.
Alright, so these are all the swatches here.
What a moment.
All the swatches of everything.
Not every swatch.
We're all wearing Toms. All wearing Toms. How cute. She has the white ones. I have the burgundy. And she has the black ones on.
We're gonna use some of this to take all of these swatches. Here, you take some.
Take so much off.
You know, this is why I love how
It's
put this on. Oh, you're gonna need some tissue. I need tissue. Mariah, can you bring some tissue? Like, I want to see if this really works to take off. Oh my goodness, if you make your hand worse, it like really dissolves it.
I have that. I have a little one. That's for me?
Oh yeah, you're gonna need it. Look, it took off my thing.
So
I'm gonna have to go home and take a shower again.
Clinique, take the day off. And what a moment. How scary is this?
But it's good.
Look how scary this is the disaster. Oh my god. Oh, this is for $20. This is
It's gonna just make us brand new.
I have that. I have that on my face.
What? You need to put that in.
Yeah. How did I get yellow stuff on the bottom of my hand? Mira, eso teñaba.
Okay, I look like I'm a little clean now.
You just got your arm is a little bit more red than it usually is.
Because I'm rubbing on it.
Oh. But you're not gonna be able to see. It doesn't look like. But if we find the wipes are super good.
So
Where else do they
the
have
end
Clinique?
result.
And my hand, but look.
Oh no.
Look at this, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, mine is.
JC looked at me like I was crazy. He was like, okay, that's it.
Show me. Show me what you were looking at.
Awesome. Let me see. They're Bulgari.
Barbarian. Which one was it that you were gonna show me? This is Carlos's section right here, like just men's right here. That one right there. So I've been wanting to try out these NYX puffs, powder puff ones. And here we go. Ooh. Yes. I like that color. This is Puppy Love. And then they have a red. You know, that's like my signature color. Oh, but this is like a blue tone red. Try this one, Teenage Dream. Oh, this one's like purpley. I like that. Very pretty. I think out of the 3 that I tested out, I really like that coral color. But let's see how they look like on you, because I tested them out. Oh yeah, that burgundy one looks like you. Oh my goodness, look at how pretty this one is. Oh,
I like them more.
This
I think they're also really pretty.
I think I want this one too. Didn't you try that one?
I know, right? Did I? No.
What's this?
That's this one.
Oh. I like that. I think that would look super cute on me. They're like, I don't know. Should I get it? I think this one.
I think you should get one. Yeah, they're really pretty.
And look, they got some more stuff. These are the slip tease ones.
No, I like these.
But there's no.
Are you swatching again?
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Hey you guys, so I'm just sitting here. We had some burgers and we're just chilling in the yard, having a good time.